Hi everyone. Video instructions for today's writing activity. Today you're going to write an onomatopoeia story. So the first thing you should do is watch this video here. It explains onomatopoeia and shows you some examples. And after you're done watching this, there's a list of words that are onomatopoeia words right here. Onomatopoeia words are words that sound like the objects they name or the sounds those objects make. Like the physical act of clapping, the word clap imitates the sound made when you clap. Or the word knock imitates the sound that is heard when you knock on a door. So those are onomatopoeia words, and there's a whole long list here. So what you're going to do is watch the video, look at the list of words, obviously come see me if you need help, but you're going to write an onomatopoeia story following the directions on the seesaw activity. So I would like you to write at least 2 paragraphs and use at least 10 onomatopoeia words. So any of the words from that list or any other words that fit the definition of onomatopoeia, which again are words that sound like the objects they name or sound like the object or the sounds that the objects make. That is your activity for the day. Your seesaw link is right here. Write a funny story, send it to me, and you're all set for the day. Thanks.